Welcome to our winter wonderland. So as you can see, it's 7 o'clock and it's still snowing. Chris's car is buried. Mind you, he snowblowed at 8 o'clock last night. This is our road, unplowed. Plow has not touched it in quite some time. And as you can see from our little measuring guy, we have 1.5 feet of snow. Yesterday morning I came out here and I could see grass on 90% of my lawn. So we will be spending the day shoveling snow. I envy all you who are sitting in your nice warm house or have nice warm weather. Be thinking of us.